Morning to everyone. This is one of my friends. There's Abner. There's ako kailan isa kinsa ning katanaw. For today's video, nangaon din sila di ay. Nangaon ni sila, nangaon. Yan din sila pagkauman og kaon nila mag-email na sad ni. And more good afternoon everyone. This is our school over here. It's very nice. And yeah, there's people in there. Okay. There, the roof is been broken. So yeah, it's very hard. Okay. So now we're going downstairs to buy some, I don't know what's gonna buy. And yeah, over there, there's people. We're now back to the video. And sorry for that cut off. We made a continuation of our video. Just enjoy. Ipakita mo kang kondisyon sa eskwelahan.